So what I'm doing, guys, I'm cutting plexiglass for the windows in the hearse. I got enough to do one side. I had to get another piece for the other side. This stuff is like 138 bucks without tax. So. Looking down so much. All right, so what I'm doing is putting this piece of plexiglass in here, and how I'm going to do it is I'm using Landscape 500, whatever it is. That's just because I had it, and when you put it on, it squishes real easy and it creates a suction. But if you can, I would use pure silicone. But this is what I have on hand. Use what you get on hand. This is what I'm going to use. So we're going to give her a shot here anyway. So all I'm doing is running the bead around everything. It's going to be a close one at the bottom there. But anyway. Okay, so I have a feeling I'm going to have to go inside and put this on. So we can take this plastic off of here. There we go. I ain't got no fingernails. Okay, get on there. Alright, you hear that? Hear that static? I can feel it pulling my hairs. So anyway, we're gonna stick this in there. And I'm gonna have to go on the inside to put this up. So, this could be interesting. Let's hope it holds behind in. I ain't tested no weight on it yet. Right, there she go. Looks like I missed some over here, so I'll go back and do that. No matter if you get on anything, guys, you can go back and repaint that. need much of a lip on this. The bottom. So be. All that stuff is sticky. I'm going to try to get a little bit behind this glass so it'll stick. Need them nails. Oh yeah. Move it. Try not to get on the glass if you can. Alright, she's in there, guys. So, what we need to do, we'll let this dry, then we'll just take that out of there. Not, we'll smear that stuff everywhere. There it is, she's in there. And we'll go back and, you know, if it's anything on the outside that you see, we'll touch it up with a little bit of black paint. Also, I might take some, what is that? That window frost. And I might just go around and hit a little bit of window frost on it, on the edges, just to help cover up the nasty. And, but there it is, guys. There's the window. Still gotta get the latch on that. There's the window on one side. I gotta get the stuff on the other. Get another sheet put on the other side. And man, we'd be straight.